Okay, regarding non-competes that the Federal Trade Commission outlawed back in April of 24. What's happened since then is that there were several appeals against this ruling, and some courts in Texas said, no, you can't enforce the law. Well, what happened is in the new administration, you have a new federal trade director who is somewhat for the courts saying, yeah, we need to put this rule back in place, but there hasn't been any decisions at all. So, will the federal government try to go against what the courts have said by going against what was the federal government did in the Biden administration, which is outlaw all competes? It's hard to say. So right now it's in a big limbo, and it's going to go through a long process. So I found this website that gave some good, some things that we talk about. So we talked about to increase chances of withstanding scrutiny under FTC's latest agenda and our existing developing state law, employers should continue to ensure that restrictive covenants are narrowly tailored as needed to protect their legitimate business interests, including with respect to confidential information. So right now, I might get the feeling is that the FTC is not going to go hog wild on enforcing non-competes, but they're still technically there. So we're in limbo land right now. So if your non-compete is way too broad, have a lawyer take a look at it. And if it's way too broad, it probably isn't enforceable. If it is very narrow, there's a good chance it could be enforced. But we're living in this sort of foggy la-la land on the legality of non-competes. So I know that's probably not the answer you wanted to hear, but that's the facts at this point. Stay tuned.